Stop going to mainstream countries like Australia, UK, or Canada for studies. Break this vicious circle, please. In this video, you will learn why Ireland is one of the best choices for students. The benefits of studying in Ireland, salaries, work hours, and job opportunities for students, cost of living and education, documents you need, how to apply, work permit after studies. Hello everyone! Welcome to Travel Range. If you want to move abroad for studies, jobs, business, or visit purposes, Travel Range is one-stop solution for you. So please consider subscribing if you're watching for the first time, so you don't miss any video that can help you to make a life-changing decision. So coming to the video, why should you study in Ireland? Well, there are many good reasons to choose Ireland for your education. Like, first of all, Ireland's study visa success ratio is above 90%. That means if 100 people apply for study visas, 90 students will be getting the visa. And the main reason behind this ratio is that Ireland has increased their study visa quota. On the other hand, they have quite easy and lenient visa policies. In addition to that, Ireland is an English-speaking country. In other European countries, you can get your education in English. But if you don't learn the language of the country, you won't be able to fully function and have the same chances as everyone else. Second, education is much cheaper than in Canada, the UK, and Australia. Also, international students have a lot of chances to get jobs. Ireland has recently promised to create 2 million more jobs in the next 5 years. So when there are new jobs, they also need new people to fill them. So if you want to get a work permit in Ireland, check out the link in the description of my other video. Now coming to work hours, salaries, and job opportunities. In Ireland, you are allowed to work 15 hours per week during your studies. However, on weekends and holidays, you can work full-time. Talking about the minimum wage rate, it depends on your city and the job you are working in. But the minimum wage rate is 14 to 15 euro per hour. Since Ireland is a small country and there are not so many immigrants, this is why there is no exploitation in salaries and working hours, unlike other densely populated countries like UK. Now let me give you an overview of cost of living and education in Ireland. This topic is very subjective, my friends, as it depends on the university and city you are living in and your lifestyle. After talking to my multiple Indian friends who are studying in Ireland, I came to know that living expenses are around 400 euros per month. It includes your food, rent, electricity, and internet utilities, which is at least 10 to 155 lesser than Australia, Canada, and US. Regarding the tuition fee and education expenses, an average university education costs around 14,000 to 15,000 euros per annum. Now, coming to the main part you might be waiting for. Let's talk about the list of documents you need to have before you apply for an Ireland student visa. Acceptance letter or recognized university or college in Ireland. Motivation letter. Fees payment proof. Valid passport. Application form. Evidence of activities during your study gap, if you have. Verified and attested academic documents. IELTS test with 5.0 bands or English proficiency test. Health insurance. Your bank statement. Summary of financial documents. To provide the summary of financial documents, you need to fill this form that you are watching on screen. You can find the link of these documents in the description as well. How to apply for visa. All you need to go on this website, you can find the link in the description. As you can see, you need to fill the application form, attach all the documents I mentioned above, sign the application form, then after paying the visa fee of 125, Attach the payment proof with your documents and simply submit your application via Irish Embassy in your home country. You need to submit the biometrics or fingerprints as well if you are applying from one of these countries: India, Pakistan, Hong Kong, China, and Nigeria. As you can see, there is no rocket science to apply for a student visa. A huge percentage of students' visa apply their visas through agents and pay them a hefty amount of fee for such a simple process. It not only increases your travel expenses, but it also leaves a negative impression on your application when you apply through agents. Now coming to the post-study work visa. Now this is one of the major benefits of studying in Ireland. Ireland provides you with a 2 years work visa once you complete your degree in Irish university, which is quite longer than the UK, Australia, US, and Canada. In most of these countries, you get only 6 months or 1 year of post-study work visa. And if in any case you won't be able to find a job within your profession, you have to leave the country. And that means all your efforts, time, and money goes in vain. So please guys, whenever you plan your travel, whether it is for education, tourism, business, or any skilled immigration, do consider all these factors before choosing a country. We often consider only visas and costs and ignore the problems, rules and law and life in the future. And what happens is, you find yourself stuck in a long vicious circle of odd jobs like McDonald's, petrol stations, and restaurants. What you get is, you ended up in the same situation where you were 3 or 4 years ago. So please do not compromise on your futures just because of frustration and friction of costs. Our goal on this channel is not only to provide you with valuable information, but also a way forward that can make a huge difference in your life abroad. There you have it, guys. If you find this information useful, please hit that like button just for the YouTube algorithm. And please do share this video with your friends and family who intend to apply for student visa. And if you have any question, please leave in the comment section below, and I will make sure to reply to each and every question of yours. Till next time, take good care of yourself and your loved ones.